Okay, so we are just about packed up, ready to go. Can't wait to get out of here. We've got everything in the bag. We're loaded, boards, gear, everything we need. We got everything else here. Just my carry-on bag. Some clothes, I think it's not even full. What are you gonna do while I'm gone, bud? Right? What are you gonna do while I'm gone? Right? You can relax. We're gonna be leaving first thing in the morning, heading for the airport. We're gonna fly out of Toronto and we're gonna get down to the nice, warm, sunny climes and sunny beaches in Nicaragua, Northern Nicaragua. We got some fun stuff going down there, so we're heading for the Emerald Coast for a couple months and endless surf and epic barrels. So yeah, we'll keep everybody up to date. Stay tuned. Enjoy. You. See, we are loaded. Early morning, sunrise is just coming up. We're on our way to the airport and we're going to be heading to our new destination. So we got everything with us, got the new board bag all loaded up, got a check bag and basically shorts and tank tops. That's about it. All my filming gear and stuff. We brought the water housings. Got our snorkel and dive gear, so that'll be good. We got a lot of reef where we're going. Stay tuned. We'll get our butt down to the airport, get on a jet plane, and get on out of Cant. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Yeah.
Look at someone wrote the word poop. That part is okay.
Yeah. Get out of here in an hour. We'll get to the surf. It was really good. Didn't cost us a lot for the board bag, which is amazing. We've got it jammed full of stuff. So, through customs, heading for the gate, and yeah, can't wait. 5-6 hours and we'll be in the warm tropical breeze for a few months. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, one step closer. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Go. San Salvador, heading to Managua, rock and roll. Hold on.
Ahora estamos arriba de la parte sur, una ubicada adelante y atrás, más una balsa extra en la parte indicada de las rutas y las salidas. Indique la salida más cercana a esta puesta.
Here, I made it. We are in Nicaragua. Landed in Managua. We've got a bunch of weird cats running around, so we're gonna go find our room here. I think we're down in 19 somewhere, and then we're gonna go to the pool. So let's do a walk down the hall. we're here. Let's find our door. Kitty, 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 kitties. Hello, kitties. Hello, kitties. This is us right here. Right. We made it. We are in Nicaragua and it is warm and I couldn't be happier, but I need to get out of this and get in my board shorts and go for a swim. So yeah, we'll see you on the flip side. Yeah, it's kind of a cool, it's the Best Western right across from the Managua airport. It's like a little cabin in here. It's all these outdoor hallways and bunkies and rooms and big giant pool in the center. And it's just nice and close. The bathroom. Sweet. Perfect. That's good enough for one night. That's all we need. We're just here for the night and then we head to the beach tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna go jump in the pool. You. Let's go for a swim. See what this place looks like. Hola. Kitty, 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 kitty. It is hot. Yeah, I see the pool, so let's go jump in. I don't know where Tony and them are. There's the pool there. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. Well, we made it through the night. Nice hotel. We'll go for a quick swim and we'll get packed up and go do some groceries. And we'll get on our way and head to the beach. Okay, stay tuned. You. That is gorgeous out. Oh. We do have a big breakfast this morning. Oh my God, look at that. This is what I love. Central and South America. We don't have that back in Ontario. Yeah, anyways, so we got a big breakfast to do here and then we'll get on our way. Tony, Mia, and Evelyn will be meeting us this morning before we take off. And yeah, then we'll go stop and we'll do groceries. We got a vehicle for the next little while. So we've got our own truck so we can get around easier. Go grab some food and some other provisions and head out to the location for the next couple months. This being my first time in Nicaragua, I love this whole area. I love Costa Rica. I love from Mexico to Panama. People are amazing. The hospitality, the generosity is second to none. So, like, how can you not like waking up to this instead of snow? Like, this is what a Best Western should always look like. Looks like we got a little bit of rain still happening here. They've had a really good wet season. It's actually been going a little bit longer than usual, so everything is super green and lush. But it's way better than waking up in snow. Oh, fresh coconuts. Sweet. So yeah, if you're following along on this adventure, go ahead and hit the like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and it helps us do more fun things like this and get out and about. But yeah, we'll see y'all at breakfast. Gonna jump in the pool. You. Land Cruiser. It's amazing. That thing is fantastic. So many guys I know back home who paid big money for that thing. Absolutely gorgeous.